Good morning and welcome to another episode of Pep's Corner. Today we will continue reading our new book, Oceans. Our focus is posted on the screen. We will be reading from pages 10 through 13. Boys and girls, we are in week 11, day 2. So go ahead, go grab your books and make sure you have your book in hand and are actively reading and following along. Remember to reread a second time so you are coming to shared reading fully prepared to engage in instruction. Go ahead, let's begin. Page 10. Page 10 you will see has a nice graphic, and let's read about and see what that is. The major ocean currents of the world flow in huge circular paths called gyres. This satellite photo shows the section of the warm Gulf Stream. Part of the North Atlantic gyre, the computer-generated colors show water temperatures from the warmest, red, to the coolest, blue. The Gulf Stream swirls up to the east coast of the North America and out into the Atlantic at a speed of up to 100 miles a day. In the middle of the Atlantic, the Gulf Stream divides, and part of it becomes the North Atlantic Current. This flows past northern Europe, making the climate warmer and milder than it might be otherwise. In the Pacific, the warm Japan current becomes the North Pacific Current and then moderates the climate on the west coast of the United States and Canada. Sometimes the normal pattern of ocean currents changes and the results can be a disaster. One of the world's major fisheries is in the cool, nutrient-rich waters off the coast of Peru. Every few years, however, the cool water warms and the sea life disappears. This strange change is known as El Niño. These computer-generated maps show what happens. The blues are the coldest waters, reds the warmest waters. The image on the left shows the warm currents, one that produce normal weather in most years. The green area, 2, shows the cool waters usually found off the coast of Peru. The image on the right shows that during El Niño, the warm currents have cooled, 4, and the cool waters have warmed, 3. During the winter of 1997 through 1998, the biggest El Niño of the century was underway, and all around the Pacific, climates changed. Australia suffered one of the worst droughts in 200 years, causing immense dust storms and fires. On the west coast of South America, heavy rains up to 3 times above normal flooded the region. And in the United States, record snow fell in the Rocky Mountains, which resulted in heavy flooding in the spring.